annual plant in the nightshade family, grown for its starchy edible tubers. The potato is a native to the Peruvian Bolivian Andes and is one of the world's most famous food crops. The tubers are highly digestible and supply vitamin C, protein, thiamine, and niacin. Today we'll be meeting Ruth Augustine, a backyard gardener who will be supplying her entire harvest to the Vincentian people.
My name is Ruth Augustine and I live in this new developed area, Boboa Casa Comfort, and I am a potato farmer. When I was building, that was in 2010, the guys lived on the property while constructing the building, and we planted some vegetables on the land, and then I realized that the land was a very fertile soil. So the following year, I got involved in potato farming. It was the first new crop for me. I didn't know anything about it, but I was given advice by the Ministry of Agriculture and some other people who were experiencing it. And then I had a good yield. So then, since then, every year I have planted the white potatoes. And this time of year is usually the harvest time of the white potato. So today we are harvesting, and prior to that, when I planted the potatoes, I had something completely different in mind. But a few weeks ago, when I learned of my colleague who lives in St. Vincent, and he's hosting about over 200 Vincentians at his apartment.
One of the stories we've been covering this week, the volcanic eruptions on the Caribbean island of St. Vincent, the Soufrière volcano erupting right now. Last time it did was 1979, and before that 1902, but these are...
What more could I do? So I have decided to donate the entire field. As long as it's marketable potatoes, I am going to ship all of it to St. Vincent.
Now, as you've used the word suffering and crisis, how bad are the conditions facing people right now on your island?
Well, the conditions are very bad because we just were not prepared for eruptions on this scale. And
I think that is the best thing that I can do. That's where my heart is telling me. That's what my heart is telling me to do. And this is what we're doing here today. We're harvesting the potatoes to ship them off to St. Vincent.